Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nuruddin Mashuri. My partners are Mr. Parlin Sinaga and Imade Hermanto. I am a student in the Physics Education Master Program, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I would like to present our paper about evaluation collaborative problem solving skills, student social skills and cognitive skills on parabolic motion materials. And this is my research. Introduction. Collaborative skills as part of 21st century skills are considered important because CPS can be interpreted as an ability to be able to work responsively and exchange ideas in a group to take certain steps in finding solution to a given problems. Although collaboration skills have been a topic in many different studies, CPS skills is seen as a relatively new construct. Several studies on CPS skills have been carried out to determine how to assess CPS skills as part of 21st century skills assessment. Other studies have tried to examine the relationship between collective creativity competence and collaborative problem solving. The results show that they are statistically different. In Indonesia, research on CPS skills has not been done much, especially in physics. For this reason, it is necessary to conduct research as a preliminary study to find out the CPS skills of students on physics material. Research method. This research is a qualitative research with case study method with a single embedded case design. Has been applied to 10 grade students consisting of 10 male and 10 female students conducted by purposive sampling by considering that the subject chosen consists of students who are active in the online learning process. Data were collected using student conceptual understanding test of parabolic materials. Data analysis was carried out in 4 steps, namely data collection, data reduction, data display, and verification. Result and discussion. The result of social skills are shown in table 3 from a snippet of student conversation. For indicator of action, the majority of students have worked in accordance with the context of the problem presented, but students in each group have not shown action to apply the context of the main problem to a different problem context. For interaction indicator, some students have done a good interaction between group members. However, some other students tend to be passive in responding to the group members' conversation during the problem-solving process. For the task completion indicator, a small number of students tend to be more active than their peers by solving each part of the problem. This active student has more role in explaining the solution in each step of the solution to the group members. Next, the result for cognitive aspect are shown in table 4. The assessment is carried out only on the task regulation element, which consists of 5 indicators. For the organizer's indicator, most students are be able to describe problem with their own language according to their understanding own. For indicator set goals, almost every student doesn't set clear goals in solving problems. They have a tendency to solve quickly. For research management indicator, most students utilize their group. Students in each group complement each other's knowledge. For indicator collect element of information, some students have been able to identify the nature of information needed to solve problems. For indicator systematicity, there are no visible steps for systematic problem solving in the process of student. Even students do not do trial and error activity. Sometimes students look confused about where to start, what next, what is the solution to the final result. Next, in this study, not all elements of CPS skills were assessed, so the result obtained in this study don't represent the overall CPS skills. There are two fundamental things that become other limitation in this study because of difficulty of controlling the research subject. First, there are group of students who are hard like when they presented the result of the discussion. They make work first, then read the result like they were presenting. Second, there are group of students who have the same answer. There might be group the work together to solve new problem and then present them separately. Of course, this is not in accordance with the objective of this research, which requires a collaborative process of students in solving problems. Now, for this reason, the result of this study are only as a preliminary study to find out the student CPS skills into element of CPS which can then be used as a comparison for further research. In future studies, it is recommended to use computer-based assessment that is able to record all interaction in student in real time, use all indicators of CPS skills, and can be applied with greater numbers of subjects, so that the limitation in this study can be overcome in order to obtain better result. Conclusion: students' CPS skills on social aspect are spread evenly across all categories, low, middle, and high. However, most of the distribution of students' CPS skills in the low and middle categories. Student skills in cognitive aspect are only spread in low and middle categories. There are no students who are in the high category. For this reason, further research is needed to address the low levels of student CPS skills. Good research in the assessment process or research to find ways or method that can improve student CPS skill. Okay, that's all my research. Thank you for your attention. For my mistake and my weaknesses, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.